The Secret Central. It was a beautiful, happy holiday in the forest. Bella was cozy under her leaf blanket. I want to sleep all day, she whispered. Suddenly, she remembers Grandma's wise words. To be a real ant, you must wake with the sun and help the colony. Bella jumped out of bed. I want to be a real ant. Good morning, Mom, Bella chirped. Good morning, Bella. Go wash your face and get ready. Oh, Grandpa, what are you doing? Oh, sorry, I'm just cleaning my back. Wow, Bella put on her favorite pink petal hat. I'm ready. Mom packed a bag of yummy snacks for the trip. Everyone began the long walk to the ant colony. Mom, why don't I have a nose like a human? Bella asked. Bella, we have antennae. We use them to smell, talk, and find our way. Oh no! Grandpa's antennae got all tangled up. Mom, the grass is so tall. How do we find the way? Bella, we follow pheromones. It's a special scent ants leave behind. Wow! Is this a pheromone? Watch out! This road is slippery, Grandma giggled. Bella, I'm slipping. Mom, why can't I eat all this food by myself? Ants are a community, Bella. We share everything to stay strong. Wow! The colony! All the ants were gathered together. Wow! The queen! She's our leader. We all work together to protect her. I am going to eat this giant grape, cried Grandpa. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Careful, you aren't a superhero yet. Wow! Everyone sat down at the big table for breakfast. Suddenly, the table was covered in delicious treats. Wait, I smell something sweet, Bella said. It's coming from over there. Let's go check. Bella used her antennae to follow the trail. Someone is calling us. I can smell the signal. Oh, Uncle John found a giant sparkling sugar cube. This way, everyone, follow my lead, Bella shouted. Oh boy, this is heavy, Uncle John huffed. Don't worry, Uncle John, we are here to help. Everyone grabbed a corner. 1, 2, 3, lift. Oh no! Hey, Grandpa! Oh, don't let me fall! Don't let me fall! Wow! They made it! They cut the sugar into tiny pieces for everyone. We will save some for winter and eat the rest for lunch. Bella, you are a true hero. Because of you, we found this food so quickly. Mom was so happy and proud of her clever little girl. Bella may be small, but she did a giant job for her family today.